Training your Cyberthreat AI is simple. What it does for you is anything but. With Fletch's NLP Max technology, you'll detect threats days before traditional EDR and vulnerability scanners, and establish the new perimeter that you need for the AI era. Spend under 5 minutes telling Fletch the tech you use, your primary industry, and any locations you do business in to know the threats targeting companies like you daily. Tick. When training your AI engine, keep in mind that the more you put in, the more it will tell you. Only add what really matters to you for the most focused feed. You'll be able to add or edit at any point in time, so don't sweat it too much. Okay, let's get started. Step 1. Select Activate your new perimeter. Step 2. Add the tech you care about the most. Think top SaaS apps like Dropbox and Slack, cloud services like AWS, and the OS most people at your company use. If you have developers, consider your tech stack as well. Step 3. Add your primary industries. If you do business in more than one industry, feel free to add them all. Step 4. Add any locations you do business in, and just like that, your Cyberthreat AI is up and running. You now have the start of your new perimeter for the AI era. Check out your forecaster feed. Now that Fletch knows you, you'll know the threats on your perimeter before they're in your house. Now, you're living ahead of threats.